Quiz time presented by MyBook channel. Let's start. A dash runs on fuel. Option A cycle, option B computer, option C car. Option C car. Machine makes your work dash. Option A easy, option B slow, option C tough. Option A easy. A computer runs on dash. Option A fuel, option B electricity, option C human power. Option B electricity. Computers are used at the airport to book the dash tickets. Option A bus, option B train, option C flight. Option C flight. Dash looks like a briefcase. Option A laptop, option B desktop, option C smartphone. Option A laptop. You can use it by touching the screen. Option A laptop, option B desktop, option C smartphone. Option C smartphone. A dash can be kept on desk. Option A smartphone, option B desktop computer, option C laptop. Option B desktop computer. A computer is used to dash in shops. Option A make bills, option B play games, option C study. Option A make bills. A dash looks like a television. Option A monitor, option B keyboard, option C mouse. Option A monitor. The dash is known as brain of computer. Option A scanner, option B mouse, option C CPU. Option C CPU. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.